Oh, hello there, and welcome. My name is Alfred Russel Wallace. Let me tell you my story. I was born in Wales in 1823. Here's father and mother and the house I was born in. My family was always rather poor. Although father was trained as a lawyer, he had lost lots of money in some bad investments. When I was 6 years old, my family moved to Hertford, a town north of London. Despite the fact father had so little money, he sent me to a very good school, the best he could afford. I studied geography, geometry and algebra, and also the bothersome Latin grammar. This education and my love of reading was a great preparation for my future career as a scientist. But when I was 14, I had to leave school because father couldn't pay the fees. I never went to university. I left for London to get a job. Soon after leaving school, I became a land surveyor in the Midlands, making maps. I loved being outdoors, and I started my collection of flowers and plants. In 1844, I got a job as a teacher in the town of Leicester, and in my spare time, I read a lot of books about natural history. One day, on a visit to the library, I met another young man who was interested in science, just like me, Henry Walter Bates. We soon became great friends, and he taught me all about insects like beetles and how to collect them. We would even compete with each other to see who could collect the most interesting beetles. And my passion for science grew stronger and stronger.